Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Is your electric boiler acting up? Cold showers and a chilly house are no fun. But don't panic just yet. Before you call in a professional, there are a few simple troubleshooting steps you can take yourself that might just solve the problem. Today, I'm going to walk you through a 6-step checklist to diagnose and potentially fix your electric boiler. Ready? Let's get that heat back on. First, and this is the most important step for your safety, turn off the power to the boiler. Head to your circuit breaker box and find the switch labeled for your boiler. Flip it to the off position. This is non-negotiable. Working with live electricity is extremely dangerous, so always cut the power first. Step 2. Check the thermostat. It sounds obvious, but you'd be surprised how often this is the culprit. Make sure it is set to heat and the temperature is turned up higher than the current room temperature. If you have a programmable thermostat, check that the batteries are UN dead and that it is programmed correctly for the current time and day. Third, let's look at the boiler's pressure. Most electric boilers have a pressure gauge on the front panel. It should typically read between 1 and 1.5 bars when the system is cold. If it's below 1, your system might have lost pressure, which can prevent it from firing up. We'll cover how to repressurize a system in another video, but for now, just make a note of the reading. Step 4 is to press the reset button. Many boilers have a small reset button, sometimes hidden behind a small flap or panel. It's often labeled reset or has a flame or power icon next to it. Press it once and wait a few minutes. Sometimes, a simple system glitch can cause a lockout, and a quick reset is all it needs to get going again. For step 5, let's make sure there are no leaks. Do a quick visual inspection around the boiler and the nearby pipes. Look for any drips, puddles, or signs of water damage. A leak can cause a loss of pressure and trigger a safety shutoff. If you spot a leak, that's a definite sign you'll need to call in a professional plumber. Finally, step 6. Check for error codes. Modern electric boilers often have a digital display that will show an error or fault code if there is a problem. Take a picture of the code or write it down. You can then look up this code in your boiler's user manual or online to understand what the specific issue is. This information will be incredibly helpful, whether you fix it yourself or need to explain the problem to a technician. So there you have it, 6 initial steps to troubleshoot your electric boiler. Following these steps can often solve the most common issues without needing a costly repair call. If you've tried all these and your boiler still isn't working, it's time to call a qualified heating engineer. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more DIY tips and home repair guides. Thanks for watching, and stay warm.